Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about what exercise 2.1 linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Chapter 2, class 8. So this is your exercise number 2.1 of chapter 2, that means class 8. Let us continue this session. Okay friends. So let us first see. First question is that solve the following equations. Number 1 is given x minus 2 equal to 7. X minus 2 equal to 7. So in that x minus 2 equal to 7, let us balance the equation. We can write x minus 2 plus 2 7 plus 2. Why we are doing, हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये माइनस टू को हटाने के लिए हमको 2 प्लस करना पड़ा है. तो ये in order to remove this 2 we have to add 2. तो to make it balance we are again adding 2 in the right side. So now 2 to cancel, what is coming? X is equal to 9. This is the solution number 1. So number 2, y plus 3 equal to 10. Y plus 3 equal to 10. So in this case what? Let us say y plus 3 minus 3, because plus 3 is there, we have to remove it. In order to we have minus 3, so in the same case we are also doing minus 3, so 3 cancel. Now we are getting y equal to 3. This is the solution. Number 3, 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 equal to z plus 2. So we know that this is an unknown quantity, this is a variable, it should come to the left side. So let us bring it to the left side. Plus z coming to the left hand side, it becomes minus z. So plus 2 is there remaining and 6 is going to the right. Plus 6 in the right side, it will be minus 6. So what is coming? Minus z equal to minus 4. So minus cancel, that means z equal to 4. This is the value. Z equal to 4. Now let us do number 4. Number 4, 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. So we are given 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. Now let us do what we are doing. X plus, let us write in this way, 7 equal to 17 plus 7. जस्ट अरेंज किया, कुछ नहीं किया इधर. सो नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे, देखो x प्लस 3 बाई 7 माइनस 3 बाई 7. नाउ 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Now this is cancelled. So x is equal to what? What is coming? 7 LCM is your 7. 17 minus 3, that equal to x equal to what? 14 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, that means x equal to 2. This is the solution of number 4. So let us do number 5. 6x equal to 12. So now what we are doing, 6x, it is multiplied with x. Now divide 6. In this case also divide 6 in order to make it balance. We have just divided 6 and 6 both the sides. Why? In order to remove this, so 6 cancel. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So what is coming? X equal to 2. So see, t by 5 equal to 10. Number 6, t by 5 equal to 10. Now let us do in the transposing method. This is your balancing method. Let's do in the transposing method. In this case what we are doing, so t equal to 10 is the right side में रहेगा. So here 5 is divided in the right side, it will be opposite side, means it will be multiplied. That means t is coming to 50. Next come to 7 number. 2x by 3 equal to 18. Now let us do this in this way. 2x 18 इधर रहेगा. So 3 by 3 means divided 3. In this case it will be right side to be multiplied. That means 3. So what we are getting? 2x equal to 54. That means x equal to, here 2 is multiplied with x. In the right side it will be divided by the number. Then we are getting 2 2 ja 4. 1 carry 14, 2 7 ja. So that we are getting x is equal to 27. So these are the solution. Now let us do number 8. Number 8, 1.6 is equal to, let us see, 1.6 equal to y by y 1.5. This is given. So you can write (1.6) will be there in the right side, y by 1.5. You do just one thing, 1.6 either multiply or 1.6. In this case also multiply 1.6, because 1.5 is divided. In order to remove this 1.5 we have to multiply 1 by 3. Now 1.5, so 1.5 cancel. Now we are getting what? Y equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Now y equal to, now multiply 16 with 15. 15 6 ja 99, 15 1 ja 15, 9 24. So write 240. So 1 point here, 1 point, so put 2 point. So this is the result of this equation. Let us do the 9. Number 9, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. That means 7x equal to 16 minus 9. In the right side it will be plus 9. So what we are getting? 7x equal to 25. That means x equal to 25 by 7. Next one is number 10, 14y minus 8 equal to 13. Now what we are going to do? 14y will remain in the left side. In the right side it will be 13 plus minus 18. In the right side it will be plus 8. So what we are getting? Plus this one equal to 21. So we are getting what? Y equal to 14 will be divided 21 by 14. So 7 2 ja 7 3 ja. That means y equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of y. Next come to number 11. 17 plus 6p. 17 plus 6p equal to 9. So what we are getting? 6p, 9 plus 17. In the right side it will be minus 17. So we are getting what? 6p equal to minus, what we are getting? At तो then p equal to -8. 6 is multiplied in the right side, it will be divided. Now 2 3 ja 2 4 ja, that means we can say p equal to -4/3. Next one, the last one, number 12. X by 3 plus number 12, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7/15. 17/15, sorry, 7/15. So we are getting what you see. So x by 3 plus 1, now we do -1, 17/15 -1, दोनों साइड में -1 किया, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, तो वी आर गेटिंग व्हाट x by 3 इक्वल टू 17/15, 7/15 -1, तो x by 3 इक्वल टू 15, 7 - 15, तो वी आर गेटिंग x by 3 इक्वल टू -8/15. Now you see x here 3 is divided in the right side, it will be multiplied, so -8/15 into 3, so 3 5 ja 15, so we are getting what x equal to -8/5. This is all about the equation 2.1. okay, we'll finish this session here. Next session we'll do the 2.2. okay, thanks.